Nike, once trading above $170 per share, now hovers around $40 to $50. This significant drop raises questions about the company's future. Historically, Nike has been a leader in sportswear, with its swoosh logo synonymous with athletic excellence. However, recent challenges have eroded investor confidence. The most pressing issue is Nike's declining financial performance. In fiscal year 2025, revenue fell by approximately 10% and net income decreased by over 40%. This dual decline raises concerns about future growth, leading to a pressure on stock prices. Nike faces stiff competition from brands like Hoka and New Balance. As these companies gain popularity, particularly among runners, Nike's market dominance is threatened. Consumers who once chose Nike are now exploring these alternatives. China has been a crucial market for Nike, but sales there have weakened due to economic challenges and changing consumer preferences. Local competition has also intensified, impacting demand significantly. Operating costs have surged due to tariffs, supply chain disruptions, and increased manufacturing expenses. As a result, profit margins have tightened, further worrying investors. Nike's recent strategy focused on direct-to-consumer sales, aiming to enhance profits and customer relationships. However, this shift reduced partnerships with retailers, leading to challenges that necessitated rebuilding those relationships. Despite these obstacles, Nike retains one of the strongest brands globally. Several factors could facilitate a recovery. New running shoe models, a rebound in China, improved profit margins, and major sporting events like the 2026 FIFA World Cup could drive demand. In summary, Nike's stock decline stems from decreased sales, challenges in China, heightened competition, increased costs, and strategic missteps. The critical question is whether Nike can effectively implement its turnaround strategy. If successful, the stock may see substantial upside in the coming years. However, until consistent revenue growth and profit recovery materialize, uncertainty will likely persist. What are your thoughts on Nike's long-term potential? Share your views and stay tuned for more stock market insights.